This is Matthew from the Windows Club. If you wish to make an inquiry regarding a billing charge from Microsoft, then either read through this article on the website or simply watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. First of all, make sure that you are logged into your Microsoft account on your browser. If not, please do the same by opening your linked account. Now, go to solution number 1 of the original article. Click on the link mentioned in the solution, and it will take you to the order history page. This will show you all of your recent orders. Then, you can check your linked payment sources. Click on Payment and Billing tab in the menu bar. Select Payment Options from the menu. Scroll down and check the linked cards. You can also remove cards if you want to. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club and write your question. We will surely answer it. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.